In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a connected app in Salesforce. Let's dive right into it by heading to the gear icon located in the top right corner of your Salesforce dashboard. Click on it and select Advanced Setup. This is where all the backend magic happens. Once you're in the Advanced Setup, navigate over to the Quick Find search bar at the top and type in App Manager. Click on the result and it will take you to the App Manager page, a central hub for all your Salesforce applications. Here's where we're going to create our new connected app. In the top right corner of the App Manager, you'll see an option labeled New Connected App. Go ahead and click that. Now, you'll be presented with a blank form asking for some basic information about your app. First up, we need to fill in the connected app name. This could be anything that helps you identify the app later, like My Integration App. Don't worry about the API name field. It's filled in automatically for you, making the process just a bit easier. Next, enter a valid contact email. This is important because it's how Salesforce will reach out to you regarding any issues or updates with your app. We're moving right along to one of the most critical parts, enabling OAuth settings. Scroll down to the section titled API, Enable OAuth Settings, and check the box to enable OAuth. This setting is essential for any app that will interact with Salesforce data externally. After enabling OAuth settings, you'll need to set the callback URL. This URL is used to redirect users after they authorize your app. Make sure that it's valid and specific to your needs. Now let's talk about OAuth scopes. These define what resources your app can access once the user consents. Under selected OAuth scopes, you'll want to move the necessary scopes like full access or refresh token from the available list to the selected list depending on what services the app will need to perform. Once that's done, you have the option to adjust security policies. This includes settings like IP relaxation or token expiration. While these are optional, they can enhance the security and functionality of your app based on your organizational needs. With those settings all configured, it's time to save your app. Scroll to the bottom and click the Save button. Now that it's saved, you'll be redirected back to the App Manager. Here, find your newly created app, click on the drop down next to it and choose View. Once you view your app, you'll see two critical pieces of information, your consumer key and consumer secret. These are crucial for integrating your app with external services, so keep them secure and accessible for future use. And there you have it, you've successfully created a connected app in Salesforce. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more Salesforce tips and tricks.